Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So in this course today we will cover setup to run Java code. Okay. In Eclipse workflow we will click on files, then new, then new Java project. Window will open. We will type the project name. I'm typing YouTube. Okay. And there was also a link present to create a Java project. I have not used that for now, but you can use next, and then I will click finish. So YouTube project is created with src folder, and now in src folder we will create a package. So new package name test, I am giving my package name. Click on finish. Package is created. Now in this package we will create a Java class. So new class. Now we will write the class name. I'm writing hello world because I want to print hello world in our class. Okay, and then we will click on finish. Now I'm deleting this module info.java file, and now I will be writing the Java code. Simple, like public static void main, and in the bracket we will write string args and parenthesis open and close, and then I will curly braces open for this specific method, and then I will write system dot out dot print ln. Ln means new line. Okay, if print, then in same line, and then I will give my word hello world in double inverted comma, and then I will try to run this test case by right clicking on this page and run as Java application, and then console window is open and hello world you can see. Okay, now one more method I am telling you how to run it. Like click on this play button green and hello world will open. I will close the console window and then click on this play button. Console window is open and hello world you can see. So thank you. Please subscribe and like my video and do share. If you have any question, please comment. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.